Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about one of the most recent artificial intelligence tools out there, where you can get high quality copies for your social media marketing campaigns, your blog articles, your YouTube business, and much more. This amazing website for today is neuroflash.com. It's a beautiful website to generate high quality copies for your business. And this beautiful website is mainly for producing high quality copies in two languages, German and English, because this company is established in Hamburg, Germany. But don't sweat it, you can generate your copies in different languages, 8 different languages. And here in neuroflash.com, you can find an amazing feature. Here you can generate your copies in different 80 short and long form text types. And here you can see the prediction score of your copy to insert in your project and so on. And the best of all, here in neuroflash.com, you can use it for free. So if you have a look at pricing plans on this amazing website, here you can find an amazing free plan, as you see, with a bunch of credits that you can invest and use for your business and your projects. As you see, for generating short and long copies, long context, and much more of these beautiful features. So now let's take a look to sign up for free and how to use neuroflash.com to generate high quality copies. Well, and after sign up here for free, as we said before, here we can go to dashboard of your account on neuroflash.com, and as before, here you can generate an entire article from A to Z from this workflow new blog article, or you can go through some documents or short types or short copies. You can select your languages like English, German, Dutch, and so on. Create in English, United States. And here you can find a lot of categories like blog. You can find here a lot of templates for your blog business, for email marketing campaigns, for social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on, for advertising, for website, for e-commerce, for writing a book, HR, sales, and so on. For example, here you can find blog title ideas to generate high quality and attractive headlines of your articles and your YouTube videos. For listicle ideas, the article which consists of lists like the top 10, the best 15 tools, and so on. For blog post outline, the structure of your article that consists of headings and subheadings. Here you can find blog post intro, that hook for your reader to complete the body of your article. Writing a blog section, a paragraph in your article. Blog conclusion paragraph to wrap up and sum up your article in an amazing conclusion and bottom line. Blog post inspiration, email pre-header for email marketing, as you see, and for welcome email and LinkedIn post for social media connection. For YouTube business, as you see, YouTube channel description, YouTube video script. Here you can generate an entire script for your YouTube video. But honestly, here you can generate a copy of 200 words, not 1000, and so on. Okay. YouTube video description for SEO description that helps your video to rank higher on YouTube search results. YouTube video title, clickbait headlines, as you see, to attract viewers to click over your video to watch it. Scroll stopper, push notifications for Facebook ads, advertising, and much more. And SEO meta description for your article, SEO headlines, call to action button, and much more for promoting your products and for product descriptions, product name generator, product benefits, or the strength point of your product to motivate customer to purchase it, and much more of all these beautiful templates to generate here from neuroflash.com for free. So for example, to test the quality of the Etsy copy, so we can try YouTube video script. So how we can use neuroflash.com for your YouTube business. Here you can generate a video script. So we can click over this template simply, and here you have to insert the topic of your YouTube video. For example, we want to make a video about motivational speech. So if you have a channel about motivation for fitness, for gym, for bodybuilders, so you want to make a video about a pep talk or a motivational speech. So you can type here something about a motivational speech Okay, for fitness, for example, audience, your target audience who would watch your video. So we can target people, bodybuilders, for example, and fitness lovers, and much more. So you can click over this create, and just a few seconds here you can find some amazing copies for your purpose. As you see, many people think of fitness as something that they have to do, but it's so much more than that. Fitness is a lifestyle choice that can make you happier, healthier, and more successful, and so on and so forth. As you see, so you can use one of these beautiful copies as a motivational speech for your audience, for fitness lovers and for bodybuilders and so on. So all you have to do, just you can select one of them like this one. And of course you can gather more than one of these copies to make an entire motivational pep talk or motivational speech. And of course, to make your YouTube video from this speech, from this script, you have to use a voice over. So you can make that yourself, or you can get help from artificial intelligence tool that give you a lifelike voice over. And honestly speaking, the best artificial intelligence generator right now that YouTube allows it is Murf.ai. Yes, definitely Murf.ai is the one and the best artificial intelligence tool out there. YouTube allows its voice over. So all you have to do, just you can sign up here on Murf.ai and you can test it for free as well. And now we can go together to Studio to generate a voiceover for your motivational speech that we have generated on neuroflash.com. And now create a new project. And here you can select your voiceover. Click over this one. And here you can select one of these beautiful voiceovers that suit your speech and your business and your genre of your videos. So we can test this one, for example.
Clearly and emphatically, or smoothly. Hi, I'm Nate. You don't have to hold a position.
Or this one.
Hi, this is Adam. I am one of the most mature American voices in.
So for quickly, we can use any of these beautiful ones, like this one for.
Hey, I'm John. I am the most mature.
Like Adam.
Studio.
Okay, and we can go back to neuroflash.com and select our motivational speech. So this one, for example, copy, go back together to Murf.ai, Ctrl V, and your entire script will be divided into sentences, as you see. And of course, you can custom your voice from this one. You can change its speed, its volume for something, emphasize in some words and something like that, add some pauses between some words, pronunciation, and so on and so forth. So for example, build an audio. Let's try it.
Do you ever feel like you're not good enough? Like you'll never achieve your dream body? I'm here to tell you that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The first step is identifying the problem. The problem.
And of course, you can add something like sound effects and of course background music and so on. You can do all that in Murf.ai. And the bottom line of this video, you can generate for free an entire script on neuroflash.com and use it later on your projects and your business. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.